really quickly wanted to show off my 2005 LX 470 in the color pearl. I was praying for a vehicle. As many of you may know, the December tornado took my car and my house, and I've been praying for a vehicle for the longest, and this one fell in my lap. It's a 2005 LX 470. It's white, and it's my baby. I bought some new WeatherTech, so those are going to be replaced. I have my birthday Starbucks. I got my free drink today. Loving the moonroof. The back is like in superb condition. And of course the tailgate area is my favorite. It is the best. Still have some of the old stuff in there. Really quick 360. Needs a car wash bad. We are headed off. So if I got a tick there, I need to check. Scary. Okay, wait. It says no trespassing and no swimming. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is the coolest thing ever. It says Masara. We're gonna have to turn around. Masara. Let's do a Yui. That's the coolest thing ever. We have a little bridge to get like to a mini church. Hidden gem. Oh my gosh, that's so neato. Why don't I have the window open? Going up and up. Look, we have a friend up here. Don't actually want to take the hike yet by myself, but take a quick look around. I'm gonna take the hike by myself, so I'll come back with a friend, but uh-oh. There she is. Totally beats the escalation. There's like an actual wood tick on me. It's like a deer tick. It's huge. Let me see if I can show you guys. Literally no. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. He was in the middle of digging his head in my sock. One time I had like 5 ticks at once. That was crazy. Go outside, they said. Go in nature and get a freaking tick. Just want to say goodbye. See you.